subscribe, like, click.
I'm going to make my favorite Sprunki Vinaria squishy. Hit that like button and teach your friends how to make one too. Let's go! I'll draw the lines on the sketch with a black marker pen. Drawing circles is always tricky. I'll trace the sketch line slowly to keep it from getting crooked. Please prepare both the front and back of the Vinaria character. Viridian. Let's have fun coloring! Yay! Mint green. Vinaria characters are so adorable. They're not hard to make either. Make some friends and play together. Apply transparent tape only to the front side with the picture. Yeah! I'll attach the front and back sides of the prepared Vinaria. For the rounded part, you need to apply Scotch tape in several layers using scissors for a clean finish. Please tape all the rounded parts tightly. I'll stuff the inside of the Vinaria paper doll with cotton balls. Simply press it intermittently to adjust the amount of cotton wool to your desired level. Ta-da! It's just perfect for my taste, but it feels a bit empty, doesn't it? Haha. While I'm at it, I'll try out 2 different hairstyles. Hurry up! I'll color the hair of the basic Vinaria character using various shades of green. The second hair will be a dark brown shade. Your friends can style it in various ways and enjoy different play options. I'm so curious what kind of crafts my friends are making or want to make. If you've made something, show it off in the comments. Please tape over the finished hair drawing as well. Ta-da! I finished Vinaria's hair! Hehe! I'm going to play with my Vinaria squishy! Doesn't a lovely flower suit Vinaria perfectly? If you enjoyed it, hit subscribe and like! I'll be back with more fun crafts next time. Bye!